Good morning everyone and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today we'll start with US market as again we saw spectacular rally in the US market, and it was mainly because of specific strength in AI related stocks. Nvidia did extremely well on the back of its quarterly number, as well as the way company has given the guidance. One thing is very clear, that we are going to see furthermore upside in almost all these AI related companies. US markets like Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500 all close at the highest point of the day. But if we go through with other markets, then there also we are seeing similar sort of strength. Nikkei is into all-time highs. European markets are hitting all-time highs. So this particular trend is something which is completely exceptional. But global macros are again not favorable. Bond yield is at 4.32 and dollar index is at 104. Crude is trading above the levels of 83. So all these indicators are certainly like mixed for those who are keeping a track of global macros, as well as based on that they are designing their strategy. But if we just simply follow the levels, then based on levels our markets did extremely well on Thursday on the day of weekly expiry. After hitting the lows of 21,850, we saw spectacular one-sided rally in the market, which has surpassed all its important level, and towards the end, in fact, it closed above the levels of 22,200, but at the same time it has made a new high at 22,252. So while looking at the entire setup, we are of the view that the market is still into that strong uptrend. It is forming higher top higher bottom series. So based on that, today in case if there is any correction, then close to 22,200, 22,150 we should look for adding some long positions. But if there is any higher opening, then between 22,300 and 250 traders can look for adding some positions with a final stop loss at 22,100 on a closing basis. On the higher side, now the markets can hit the levels of 22,500 or 600. That's the overall view. On the downside, if there is any correction, then we should look for adding some positions. But today, as there is a gap up opening, which is GIFT Nifty is indicating, then we should be more and more stock specific also. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw a strong recovery from the lower levels. However, the next level to watch out for would be 47,400. Above that only we can expect a strong short covering, which can lift the Bank Nifty towards 48,000 levels. In case if there is any correction, then it should not break the level of 46,900. That's the overall level based approach on Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. But if we go through with few other technology companies, because today we are expecting some activity in technology companies, then in that case we need to focus on Infosys, which is around 1680. There we can expect 1730, 1740. For Tech Mahindra, it closed at 1320, 1330. From here the stock can go to the levels of 1370, 75. And also HCL Technologies, which is relatively outperforming to other stocks. There also we are seeing smart gains, and the possibilities of hitting 1750 to 1800 looks very bright. Apart from that, Reliance Industries closed at the highest point of the day, 2960, and based on its technical formation, 3050 looks achievable in next few days. So it will take some time, but we need to be a buyer with a positional view. So these are the stocks on which we are going to focus in today's date, and level based trading is highly recommended. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening us, and have a great day. Nice weekend to all of you.